Hello investors, my name is Dahan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at 5 potential altcoins to buy on the dip. So right now, we see that Bitcoin is pretty much hovering around this 30,000 area. And the good thing is over the weekend, it did not plummet and go under that area. It stayed above, which is a good sign because a lot of the time over the weekend, we start to see a sell-off in the crypto space. And, as Bitcoin pulls back, so do all the other altcoins. But this week, it's been pretty stable, which is a good sign. And, maybe we can continue to move on, higher with a trend on higher in the upcoming weeks. So obviously right now the market is up about 2.7% on the day in the past 24 hours. Top gainers in the past 24 hours, Cardis, this one is up about 47.98% actually. So let's take a quick look at this coin and see what's going on. 202 million market cap, so very low market cap, 47% up. It's trading at around 52 cents. Now, in the past month, this one is down 40%, and on the one-year chart, up 1,460%. But enough of that one. Let's take a look here at the highest volume, obviously Bitcoin. So Bitcoin up about 3.5%, Ethereum up about 1.8%, trading around the 1800 area, which has been hovering around there for a while. Binance, flat, Cardano 2%, Dogecoin 2%, back in the 20s, once again around that 24 cents area. Ripple's up about 0.5% or so. So most of the altcoins are following, pretty much Bitcoin and larger cap coins. So yeah, so let's get into the coins, guys. But before we get into it, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. We just had 36,000 subscribers, so let's keep on going, guys. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $2,300. There's going to be a link in the description. So the first altcoin on the list is going to be Internet Computer ICP. So this one is up about 17% from lows of $28 in the past 24 hours, trading at $35.75. Market cap at only 4.8 billion. Pretty low market cap. Volume in the past 24 hours, 340.1 million. In the past week is down about 27%. In the past month, down over 75%. And then on the one-year chart, it's up about 316%, as it was trading at around $8 or so a year ago. Here we saw, it hit $750, which is just, it's insane to think about. I mean, it was trading here at $200, went all the way up to $750, and then, ever since that May period when we saw the market crash, it went from $750 all the way down to $35, which is just insane, to think about. The market cap was pretty high up here. We were trading at a high market cap, close to 100 billion market cap, and we went all the way down to about 4.8 billion now market cap on internet computers. So this is just insanity to see how much this coin has fallen down, and it's coming to these prices where it's pretty much guaranteed good buying opportunity because it's fell down so much that we're literally trading at the same prices that we were trading around February/March of 2021. So obviously for any long-term investors or people that believe in crypto for the long term, they are definitely going to be loading up on Internet Computer for the future to see how it's going to perform as well. So obviously you guys already know Internet Computer is a utility token that allows users to participate in and govern the Internet Computer blockchain network. The network aims to help developers create websites, enterprise IT systems, internet services, and DeFi applications by installing their code directly on the public internet. ICP can also be staked or converted into cycles that can be used to power computation for dApps and traditional applications as well. So obviously that is going to be our first altcoin, and now we get into the second altcoin. So Chainlink LINK, this one is trading at $16.70. It is up about 1.5% today in the past 24 hours. The market cap is 7.3 billion right now, with the volume in the past 24 hours at 694.4 million. Now in the past week, this one is down about 17%, and then in the past month, it is down about 51%, with the one-year chart being still up 286%. From lows of about $4.50 or so a year ago, all the way to highs up here of about $53 or so in May. And then as we saw the crypto, pullback, we saw it go to $19, and now even lows of $16 or so as the market continues to be, trading sideways. And obviously, you guys know as the large cap coins pull back, altcoins usually pull back even lower and even heavier. And then obviously when a large cap coins go up, the altcoins tend to go down or up as well quicker. So the quicker they go up, the quicker Bitcoin goes up as well. That is something always to keep an eye out on with Chainlink or any altcoins, obviously. Now, obviously, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems as well. So, obviously, that's going to be our second altcoin. And then the third one is going to be Solana, SOL. So, this one of our favorite coins on the channel. We've been talking about this one a lot lately. Trading at right under $30 right now, up about 5%. In the past month, or actually past week, is down 15%. Past month, down 15% as well. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, the coin is up over 4,000% as it was trading at around under $1. So it's trading at around 79 cents a year ago. Hit highs here of over $58 at one point. Then we saw a pullback down to about 24 or so. And we've been consolidating. But as you can see, we've been on an actually uptrend here since the low of about $24, even hitting highs of up to about $40, $41. So this is actually a good thing for Solana. It's doing a lot better than some of these other altcoins during this pullback in the market, because Solana is actually keeping up with it. Most of the other altcoins are actually trending on lower. So market cap on Solana is 8.1 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 447.7 million. And then obviously Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without sacrificing decentralization. So Solana, definitely another coin to add to your list. And now the fourth altcoin is going to be Litecoin. So Litecoin LTC, this one used to be very, very popular in 2017, 2018. This one is up about 2% today, trading at $126. In the past week, is down 17%. In the past month, 36%. And then on the 1 year chart, it's up 207% as it was trading at around $41 last year. Hit highs here of over $413, almost hitting actually prices that we were trading at in 2017. And then we've been on a downtrend ever since. Like I said, this one compared to Solana is still on a downtrend. Now, market cap on this is 8.5 billion with the volume in the past 24 hours at 1.7 billion. Now, obviously, Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin, obviously. So this used to be like gold was the gold. Bitcoin was the gold, and Litecoin was like the silver to the Bitcoin's gold. So they were kind of the big dogs back in the day. But ever since then, Litecoin's been on a downtrend. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's been on an uptrend in the past 3 years. So that is the difference. And now Litecoin is not one of the most popular coins like it used to be a couple years ago, but it still has potential for growth for the future, even though we're coming out with new altcoins that are a little bit better and doing better things for the future, and greener coins obviously as well. So that is the fourth altcoin, and now we get into the fifth one. So the fifth altcoin on our list is going to be Theta. So Theta is currently up about 2%, trading at $6.48. In the past week, it's down 27%. On the 1 month chart, 15%. And then on the 1 year chart, the coin is up almost 3,000%, guys. So if you invested $1,000 right now in Theta a year ago, it would be worth around $30,000 right now. So an investment a year ago will be worth 30K. It was trading around 22 cents or so, went to highs up here of over, $15, $16 actually here in April, which is actually the time period when Bitcoin hit its all-time highs. After Bitcoin hit its all-time highs, it's continued to make a pullback with Bitcoin. Pretty much it followed Bitcoin, even though some of the other altcoins continue to move on higher and make higher highs, even though Bitcoin was stable or pulling back. So Theta right now has a 6.5 billion market cap, so it pretty much follows the price of the actual coin. So if this was a $7 coin, the market cap would be around 7 billion, which is very interesting to make it, the way it's looked at, because it has 1 billion tokens or coins, and then obviously volume in the past 24 hours at 201.3 million. Theta is definitely one of those greener coins that we saw pop up, in the past, but it is a cheaper coin, and a lot of people like to get those cheaper coins that have a lot more potential for growth for the future, and that's why Theta is our number 5 coin on the list, guys. Now, obviously, these coins does not mean you're going out to buy them right now. So obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. Obviously, I'm just saying that I think that if it continues to pull back in the next month or so, if we continue to see a pullback in the crypto space, these coins could be potential buying opportunities for the future as they continue to grow, and obviously crypto continues to grow and go higher. So those are the altcoins. Now let's get into the rest. Dogecoin is up about 2% today, trading at around 24 cents. In the past week is down 15%, and obviously in the past month 30%, but still on the 1 year chart it's up 10,591%. Ever since we hit those highs of about 77 cents here during the SNL Elon Musk show going on, we continue to see a pullback lower and lower. We even hit lows of about 16 cents or so about a week ago, and that was like pretty much the low that we saw, which we did not like. People were scared. If Doge goes under 13 cents, maybe 12 cents, it could go down even faster. So that is kind of like the area that everybody's watching for. We're hoping to consolidate up here in the 20s and possibly push back into the 30s, because the 30s was a very strong support until it broke through it last week. So market cap on Doge is around 31.9 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.8 billion. So you guys already know this is the meme coin. A lot of people are thinking it's going to go to $1 or so, but it would literally have to go up so much, another 76 cents in order for that to happen. And I definitely don't think that's going to happen in 2021. It might not ever happen, but there's still believers in the space, obviously, that believe it will. Now, Ethereum, it is up about 1.8%. So Ethereum has been bouncing back and forth. It's been, getting very close to that 1700 area, almost going under that area, as we traded here at 1700. Now, we talked about this last week that we were saying that if Ethereum goes under 1500 or so, that's going to be a great buying opportunity, obviously, because, it's been a long time since Ethereum has been trading at these levels, pretty much 3 months or so since we traded at these levels, as we hit highs of 4,400 here, and then we saw this pullback and now a continuation on lower. Now, obviously, Bitcoin is stabilizing a little bit, so Ethereum should be as well. Market cap at 1,212.4 billion right now, volume in the past 24 hours at 17.6 billion. So Ethereum, obviously, we believe that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin in the future, but that could happen in 10, 15, 20 years, 30 years or so. Nobody knows. We were doing very well with the market cap here, but obviously the coin went up over 100% in a matter of a month or so, and it was way overbought. So now we saw this pull back a little bit, which is a healthy thing, obviously. Good dip buying opportunity for anybody that is a long-term investor or believes in Ethereum for the long term. So definitely another one to add to your radar, guys, to see how it's going to perform in the future. And then we have the big dog, obviously Bitcoin. So this one keeps bouncing back and forth around that 30,000 area. Now, we talked about this one on Friday, saying that over the weekend, if it continues to go lower, it could, hit lows. Good thing is it didn't hit lows on Sunday. It started to pull back up higher, which is a good sign. Trading at around almost 33,000 right now. In the past week, you guys can see it hit lows down here of about 28,000. So we definitely didn't want to break through that. Now it seems to be maybe consolidating here. Maybe we'll, continue an uptrend this week. It would be nice to come back to the 35,000, 40,000 area, obviously. But it is, lower and lower from highs of 64,000, 65,000 in April that we saw. Market cap, obviously, on Bitcoin at 622.5 billion. Obviously, for any long-term investors, they know Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be, big in the future. So nobody's really worried about these two coins, and I know if we see a sell-off that a lot of the big, whales and things like that, they're going to be dumping money into it because they know that Bitcoin and Ethereum will be huge in the future, or at least that's what people are predicting. So people are going to be buying that dip very quickly, just like they did, a week ago when it hit, that area at around 29,000. People bought that dip so quick, and it bounced right back up to about 33,000 very quickly in a matter of about 3 or 4 hours, which was huge to see. And then we've been trading around these levels ever since. So that is obviously a positive sign. What do you guys think is going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next year? Do you guys think it's going to come back to all-time highs by the end of 2021? Or is it going to take more time for it to come back to those levels, guys? Now, as always, guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $2,300 now. The links are going to be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.